Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to install the Lasfit Switchback. These bulbs are awesome. They have a built-in resistor or CAN bus on them to avoid hyper flashing. So no need for those extra wires, no need for resistors. So just plug and play. So these are amber and white, and as you can see, this looks great. And yeah, it says here the back, no polarity, meaning you can put them either whichever you want, so there will be no issue when you put them on the positive negative. So no polarity. New LED technology, much brighter than halogen, that's for sure. And they have a US customer support. So these are the T7443D. So these are the actual model. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. And this video is sponsored by Lasfit. So come on, let me show you how they actually look like. Okay, so here are the bulbs. Very good quality. I like the build quality on them. So this is like aluminum. They have the Lasfit branding here in the front, just nice. It has 4 sides, which each side has 6 amber and 2 white chips. That's nice. So yeah, I hope this will work well on my 2021 Toyota Rav4. Yeah, so right now I have the halogen back so that I can compare them. Come on, let's quickly install this bad boys. Okay, so to start is we have to remove the factory bulb, which is this harness. All we have to do is turn this one out clockwise to release it. Okay, so first we have to remove the halogen bulb in here, which is on this side, and turn it clockwise. Yeah, clockwise like that. So yeah, so that's the halogen bulb, and let's compare it with the Lasfit. Okay, so comparing them here side by side, let me remove it. Okay, so comparing them side by side, as you can see, big size difference in there. So let's quickly install this and we'll check it how they compare to the halogen on the passenger side. All right, to simply install this, basically just plug it in. It says there's no polarity on it, and it should work out of the box. Doesn't matter if you put it this way or this way. So we'll find out. So before we actually put this on the housing, we're gonna test it. Okay, so as we can see, they are working and they are definitely bright. So I'll put it on the housing, then we'll check the DRL. If there should be any issues, then we're gonna compare them. And basically, to install this, we just have to reverse the process. Hopefully this fit, because it's so big. Okay, so I'm gonna put it the other way, because so with this one, on this particular part of the video here, I'm trying to explain the when I insert it on the housing, the logo of the Lasfit is upside down. So I have to basically reorient it. And I discovered that when I changed the orientation, the bulbs did not turn on. So they are not uh, non-polarity. So you have to insert them properly
test it. If they don't turn on, just flip them and insert them again. Basically, test it if they will light up. So, just a quick tip on that. All right.
Alright, so now the passenger side is successfully been installed, so I don't need to remove the clip. I was able to just grab the harness and twist it. Very easy. Yeah, so now let's test them together. Okay, there you go. DRLs, white DRLs are on. They should match the headlights. We will also check that. But first, let's check the turn signal. Okay, so right now it's on hazard. As you can see, the lights are not hyper flashing and the DRL stays on. DRL stays on and it looks nice. I like it. So now let's check the headlights with the DRLs on, if they actually match. Nice. So our whole headlight assembly right now is white in color. DRL plus the headlights, they're white, so it's uniform. I don't really need an amber DRL because I have the grill lights in here, which are amber already. So our side markers are also amber. Yeah, this is nice. I like it this way. So yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, this video is sponsored by Lasfit. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and thank you for watching.